back to shore. Go back to the beach.
Oh, go to the beach, Reedy.
Reed, come down and do me a favor.
Reed, put the rudder off and just go to shore.
Paddle! Go on, girls. Have them jump in. Here, throw the frisbee. Throw the frisbee so Bat jumps in. Where's the frisbee? Here.
Back like in the front.
Here, there you go.
Okay.
That's good, right? There you go. Perfect. Now paddle around in a circle. Just big circle. Don't move it. Hold the frisbee exactly where it is. Don't throw it. Good job. That's what she had to figure out. Well done. Now just go in a circle. That's far enough out, Reedy. Don't make her fall over. There you go. Good girl, Bat. Go towards shore. This is great.
Mom, I think just get a little
Perfect.
Get a little skiff, use your rowboat. Why just a rowboat?
Good girl, Bat. Look at you guys. This way. Turn. You want to go back into the bumper zone? We can let them jump out. There we go. Look at Bat. She figured it out. Okay, here we got to catch him in the bumper zone. Come, turn right. Turn right. Good girls. Reedy, you're not doing a good job turning right. You're going to have to do another circle.